Region of Waterloo landfill. We got the yak on the front of their Kubota using our new snowplow mount system. These guys have been using this thing, bought it last fall, and they're just using it to maintain roads and clear out areas where customers drive their vehicles, because when customers come in to drop off waste, they don't like to get flat tires. So these guys are just taking us up to the tipping point on the landfill, and they're just showing us a typical route they would do to clean up so the trucks driving around don't get flats. Customers obviously aren't coming up here, but there's trucks running up and down here all day, and they don't want to get flat tires either. So this thing was empty when we were down at the shop, and I can see a bunch of stuff getting collected already. So this is a really handy unit to have on site, just because you can engage it and disengage it very easily using the snowplow mounts, because the snowplow has hydraulic control, and because of the wraparound function on the yak, you can drive through this rough terrain and not have to worry too much about hitting the ground, because all of the collected metal will just get swept to the back of the magnet housing and you won't lose it. So here's what we've collected so far, just running once up the access road. You see how easy it is to clean off the yak. Just pull down those two teeth, and looks like there's still a little bit hanging on. Well, there's a screw there still hanging on. But that's quite a lot for just driving up and down the road once. Right? Well, not even down, just up.
Yeah, well, just up.